Welcome to my channel. I still remain famous Forex Academy, and today I'm back with this amazing strategy. Okay, it's a scalping strategy. It's a strategy you can hold up to 10 to 20 candlestick at most, and it's very reliable and very profitable. Whenever I drop a strategy here, is always one of the best. So today I'm back with this new amazing strategy that will help you guys milk the market, especially for those people who like scalping. Okay, so I had to do this one for you guys so you guys can actually make use of it and make money for yourself. So before we continue, if you are new in the channel, you've not subscribed to this channel, before I ask you to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, like the video, and don't forget to turn on your notification so you can always get new video whenever I post them online. So guys, this strategy is very reliable, it's very profitable. It's a new signal I just came up with, and I've been using it to kill the market. So I had to share it with you so you guys can also use it and kill the market for yourself. This strategy works basically on boom 1000. Like I said, it works basically on boom 1000. If you want to use it on any of the boom and crash pair, it will be crash 1000. But though I'm not really convinced with crash 1000, but the best pair you can use this strategy is boom 1000, as you can see here. So now, before we start, I would like to share the settings of this strategy. Okay, and we have the moving average here, we have the relative strength index, we have relative strength index on indicator window 1 and also on indicator window 2. We have relative strength index again and Ichimoku. So the first thing you want to do is you go to your indicator symbol, you click on it. So and you go to your main chart. The first thing you want to add is moving average on your main chart, and the moving average will have the period of 8, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style is 3 pixel. I'm using red. You can use any color of your choice, but make sure it's a visible color you can see on your chart. Okay, and after that you click on done. So the next indicator you'll be adding here will be the relative strength index, which you go back to the main chart. Okay, you click on relative strength index, and it has a period of 8. Apply the typical price, style is 3 pixel. I'm using black. The levels here are 80, 20 and 30. Okay, the levels here are 80, 20 and 30. 3 pixel and use black, and after that you click on done. The next indicator will still be another relative strength index, but this time around it will be on indicator window 2. So what you have to do is you go back to your main chart, you click on your main chart, you click on your main chart, you click on the main chart and you add relative strength index. It has a period of 8. Apply the typical price, and the style is 1 pixel. Make sure you use a white color, and the levels here this time around will be the level 80, level 20, level 0 and 0, and after that you click on done. The last indicator will be the Ichimoku, still on your indicator window 2. So you click on your indicator window 2 and you add Ichimoku. The Tekan-san will be 1, Kijun-san will be 1, Seku-span be 4. Make sure you fill in this blank. Then the Tekan-san is 4 pixel. I'm using blue color. The Kijun-san is 4 pixel. I'm using red. The up Kumu is 4 pixel. I'm using white. The down Kumu is 4 pixel. I'm using white. The Chukum span is 4 pixel. I'm using blue. After that, you click on done. And after you might have finished installing your indicators like that, you go back to the main chart. And this is how your chart will look like. So now on the zoom level, I'll advise you use the second zoom level. After you might have finished zooming in your chart completely, you zoom out twice. So you're going to use the second zoom level, and after doing that, the next thing you want to do now is knowing when to actually sell, because we are actually trading against the spike. So when you trade against the spike, you have to on boom, you have to sell. So now before you initiate any sell trade here, first of all, it's very important that you follow the trend of the market. That's when price action comes in. Like I always say in most of my videos, that you really need to understand price action. If you've not learned price action, just find a way and get a mentor who will actually teach you how to use price action, because that's one of the best strategy you can ever use in trading forex. Okay, so if you need a mentor, you can probably hit me up. Check on the description page, you see a link to my WhatsApp number. You can chat me up and we can talk on terms on how I can teach you and make you become a professional trader. And also, if you want someone to manage your account, okay, I do account management, and you can also talk to me about account management too, and we can do that together. And also we have a VIP group where we drop profitable trades, that signals. We drop profitable signals every single day, and my VIPs are always winning because all we do is drop profitable signals. And still on the description page, you can see a link to my free Telegram group, which you can join and see how we've been doing in the market. So now back to this video. So now the first thing you want to do is know when to sell. Like I said, you have to go to a higher time frame, like maybe the 1 hour time frame, or at most the daily time frame, and you look at the chart to see which way the trend is actually following, if it's a downtrend or an uptrend. Because if you are actually going to sell, you should be looking for a downtrend. So maybe after going to the 1 hour time frame, I notice that the price is actually on a downtrend. That's um a sure, let me not say sure, that's perfect. It's actually, it's going to be an perfect for you to actually make a sell trade, because the market will favor you more than if it was an uptrend and you're trying to sell. It might not really favor you, because if the market is on an uptrend, is an uptrend, that means, especially on boom and crash, and it's a boom 1000 like this, and it's an uptrend market, that means there'll be series of spike before the market can actually be an uptrend market. That means there are series of spikes happening. So you, in trying to sell at that point, you might be at risk, because spikes might catch you, and you know what it means. If spike catch you, you're going to run into losses. So for you to avoid that, you have to look for a proper downtrend. Yeah, like forex is very it's something that demands someone to be patient, so that you won't, because we are talking about money here. You don't just want to come to forex and start losing money. So you have to be careful. You have to know when to initiate your trade, so that you don't do some bad trading and all that. So now, if the market is a downtrend market, if the price is actually heading down, that's more comfortable for you to look for an entry. Okay, so after doing that, you notice that the market is on a downtrend. Now you now come back to your 1 minute time frame, and you wait for this setup to come to play. So now the first thing you want to look out for, okay, it's you have to look on your indicator window one. You have to see your indicator, Ichimoku indicator here on your indicator window one. That's the blue and red indicator you're having on your indicator window one. That's the Ichimoku indicator. It has to be on the level 80. Okay, but once you find the Ichimoku indicator on your indicator window one on the level 80, now you now look on your indicator window one. Sorry, the first thing you want to look out for is seeing your Ichimoku indicator on your indicator window 2. I said one before. On your indicator window 2, it has to be on the level 80. The moment you see that happening, you go to your indicator 1 and check out if your indicator here is on the level 80 also. The moment you see these two indicators on your indicator window 1 and 2 on the level 80, the next thing you want to do is you go to your main chart, you wait for a crossover here. That will be when the candlesticks and the moving average crosses each other to the downside, and you find your candlesticks crossing the moving average, and after that you initiate your trade. As you can see, that happens here. So if you check here, you want to count these candles, you see that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. It's 26 candlesticks, but we're actually just looking for 20 candlesticks. So to be on a more safer side, you can just pick 10 candlesticks and you close the trade. Okay, like I always like giving this advice, especially if you're having a smaller account and you wouldn't want to risk more in case a spike comes in. Okay, so you just pick 10 candlesticks. It's safer to pick 10 candlesticks and you close the trade than actually waiting for 20 candlesticks. But if you have a bigger account which you can hold for a long time, you can take 20 candlesticks at most. Don't stay longer than 20 candlesticks. The moment you have your 20 candlesticks, you close the trade and you wait for this setup to come to play again. You can try this over and over again. So far, these setups are in play. But once you find the setup in play, you can initiate your trade and you start selling. That's on boom. So let me go to crash because I made a trade on crash, so I can actually show you how it works. Because like I always say, I like doing my videos live so you can actually understand how it's working perfectly. So let me go to crash 1000. Go to crash 1000. This is crash 1000. As you can see, we initiated a trade here on crash 1000. But like I said, that I don't really trust the strategy on crash, but if it's boom 1000, it's sure. Okay, it's sure for you to use it on boom 1000, but you can also use it on crash. As you can see, I just use it on crash and it's actually playing out well, like we are expected. So on crash, this is how it works on crash. On crash, you go on your indicator window 2. You have to find your Ichimoku indicator on the level 20. But once you find your indicator on the level 20, you go up to your indicator window 1 and make sure that you find your indicator here on the level 30. Okay, here has to be on the level 30, or even if you find it on level 20, if you find it on level 20, it's more comfortable because it will actually gives you enough time to hold for a longer time. But even if it's on 30, okay, so let me just say, if you find your indicator here on between the level 30 and level 20, okay, it's safe for you to make your trade. Then the final warning will be when you go to your main chart, you find your moving average crossing each other to the upside like this. That will be when your candlestick crosses the moving average. After that happens, you pick the first candlestick that is coming out, you open your positions and you buy. On crash, you buy because they are trading against the spike. On boom, you sell. So let me explain it for you to understand. Now this is crash. I did a live trade because all my videos, if you check my videos, my strategy videos, you see that I always make a live trade, so it won't be as if I'm actually just coming here to live for you guys. I always making it live so that you can see that it works perfectly fine. I don't just use back testing and telling you like most people do. I do it live so you can see how it works perfectly fine. So on crash, this is how it works on crash. The first thing you want to do is you look on your indicator window 2. You have to wait for your Ichimoku to be on the level 20. Okay, then on your indicator window 1, you wait for your indicator here to be on the level 30 or between level 30 and level 20. Then the final thing will now be on your main chart when you see your candlestick crossing the moving average. Okay, and once you see the moving average crossing the candlestick to the upside and the candlestick crossing the moving average, that's when you open your position. You pick 10 to 20 candlesticks. It's always safe to pick just 10 candlesticks, but if you want to risk more, you can pick 20 candlesticks at most. 20 candlesticks, don't pick more than 20 candlesticks. As you can see, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Though we entered the trade late because when I started setting up these indicators, the trade had already passed this position, so I just had to enter it late so that I can use it to make a video for you guys so that you guys can see that it works perfectly fine. So this is how it works. So you guys, you can see that we came back to a boom 1000. As you can see, we had a spike, and why did we have this spike is because the price actually got to our oversold level, which is the level 20 here. Okay, So this strategy can either work as a scalping strategy or a catching spike strategy, but I'm not really sure about the catching spike. I have to, try it again and again for me to really sure if it actually works. But if it works, I will still come back here and drop it for you guys and encourage you guys to use it. But for now, I'm not sure because I've not tested it yet. So I have to test it to be sure for me to share it with you guys. So as you can see, we picked our 20 candlestick. Let me show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So as you can see, after our 20 candles, you might have closed the trade and before this spike happened. And before this spike happened, as you can see, it got to the oversold level and we wouldn't have waited for that long. You would have gotten a 20 candlesticks and we close the trade. So that is why I advise you guys pick 20 candlestick, or if you can just pick just 10 candlesticks, it's very safe for you to pick just 10 candlestick and close the trade. This strategy, it's a bomb, it's working perfectly fine, it's profitable and all that. So guys, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share the video with your friends so everybody can make money this year, because we want everybody to make money. And don't forget to like the video too, and turn on your notification so you can always get stuffs like this whenever I post them online. So guys, don't forget to hit me up if you want a mentor, someone to teach you, mold you into becoming a professional trader. I do that. Okay, I can teach you, I can show you all the secrets and everything you need to know about Forex. And also, you need someone to manage your account. Maybe you've been too busy to trade, or you've been blowing your account. You need someone to manage your account for you. Hit me up, and I can also help you do that. And also, you want to be on my VIP team, where I drop profitable signals every single day. You can do that as well. Chat me up and let's talk business. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you some other time. Bye.